Welcome here. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Thank you. Natural ingredients. 1. Dove soap. 2. Lemon. 3. Carrot. 4. Turmeric. Scrape the carrots. Make it clean. Scrape the turmeric as well. Grate the turmeric and carrots. Pour the grated carrots and turmeric in a bowl. Add about half liter of hot water. Stir briefly. Set the bowl aside. Grate the dove soap. the finely grated soap. Strain the turmeric and carrot mixture. Do not trash the residue. Heat the fill tray in a double boiler. Once hot, add the soap. Add grated soap-toad carrot and tumeric juice. Stir intermittently for the melting of soap. It took about 20 minutes for the soap to complete eliminal. Once melted, put it down. I added vitamin E 10 ml. I added glycerin 10 ml. I also added essential oil 5 ml. Stir very well to mix all ingredients properly. Juice half of lemon and add to the soap. Stir again very well. Like and share please. Kindly subscribe if you have not. Fill into a clean dispensable bottle. Our body wash with natural ingredients is ready. I would like to hear from you, please. Drop your comments below. Please don't forget to join our channel membership. Special perks await you as a member. Thanks for watching. See you again very soon.